The third one is the flame detectors. This typically operate by detecting ultraviolet or infrared energy. The detector are extremely quick to operate and typically are used in a high hazard area. So, sa flame detector na nadidetect lang niya yung ultraviolet and infrared energy. So, this detector na yun, nakakontain siya ng ultraviolet ray and infrared. So, yung device na yan, mabilis siyang mag-response kasi contains of the ultraviolet at saka infrared. Pag may explosion or sabog na, madidetect ng flame detectors. So, these flame detectors na in high hazard area like fuel loading area sa mga gas station na may flame detector sila kasi na may ano ba yun? May oras or may time talaga na may possibilities na sasabog yung like fuel station kasi na naka high hazard area sila kasi na gas kasi flammable flame, kaya may flame detector sila. So may contains. So beside for flame detectors, both types of flame detectors must see the flame to detect it, so usually to be pointed toward the location where fires are likely to originate. So hindi madidetect yung ultraviolet at saka infrared kung hindi talagang sa exact place na nangyari yung flames or yung pagsabog or sunog. Dapat yung sunog at saka flames na sa exact na yung kunwari sa station, fuel station. So may device doon exactly sa area na yun. So through the help of ultraviolet at infrared energy, madidetect agad na may sunog doon kasi na through beside of the flame detector na si flame detect only usually to the pointed toward the location where fires are likely to originate. Sa flame detector na nagdidetect lang yan pag may sunog, yun lang. Compare sa heat detector na sunog at saka temperature. So kunwari nag-set ka ng heat detector na temperature, kunwari ang init ng kwarto mo, so nakalagay doon ay 20 degree. So pag nag 20 degree na yung kwarto mo, magfo-false alarm yun ang ibig sabihin ng false alarm. So di gaya sa flame detector na fire talagang i-detect niya, kunwari malaking sunog or kahit gaano kalit man yan, at least nandoon yung ultra at saka yung infrared energy na magdidetect yung flame detectors natin. Yun lang po sa flame detector. The fourth one is the gas sensing and other phenomena detectors, from the word gas and other phenomena. So by gas sensing detectors are not common special gas detectors and specific gas even off by fire. So sa device na ito, ang dinidetect lang niya ay gas, which is like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide detectors. So pag nakadetect ito ng carbon dioxide at carbon monoxide na, mag-alarm yung detector natin. So use of carbon the use of carbon monoxide gas detectors, the home is becoming very popular as a way of warning residents of gases produced by malfunctioning heating equipment. So ganun. This device na nakakontain siya ng carbon dioxide at saka carbon monoxide. So kunwari nagprito ka ng isda or may ginawa kang iba, nag-experiment ka. So through this help of the gas sensing and other phenomena detectors na madidetect niya yung pag umabot siya sa yung devices mo, madidetect niya yung gas, madidetect na yung gas. Or kunwari may oven kayong equipment, then sa sobrang init na nag-cause siya ng carbon or gas, then madidetect ng itong detector na itong gas sensing detector, madidetect niya. Yun lang for sa gas sensing detector. The fifth one is the manual fire alarm boxes, or also known as pole station. Alam na natin itong manual fire alarm boxes. Alam niyo to. Itong manual na detector na ito ay palaging nakikita sa paaralan, sa hospital, sa mga facilities or buildings. Diba yung kulay red na circle, yung box or ano man yan. So yan yung nakikita natin sa nagre-ring every time na nagre-resist sa paaralan or sa hospital, may emergency, may darating na ganun, manual. Kung may pag sa, di ba, sa paaralan may bell tayo pag recess time, ganyan yung mga manual detector na, tsaka manual fire alarm boxes, also known as pole station. Yun ang tinatawag na pole station. So thank you. That's all for this video.
So, good morning. I am Asraf M. Omar. Today I'm gonna report about portable fire extinguishers. So, the purpose of fire extinguisher: a portable fire extinguisher enable an individual with minimal training and orientation to extinguish an incipient fire without risk. After calling the fire department, there have been many disastrous fires resulting from delayed notification of fire department while someone attempts extinguish with portable fire extinguishers. So there are types of portable fire extinguishers agent. There are 6 common agents used in portable extinguishers. So the first is water-based. Water-based extinguisher type include anti-freezing additive, loaded stream, and wetting agent. Other foams may be used but generally obsolete. Until 1969, there were 3 methods of water-based extinguisher operation. The first is the store pressure, second is pump tank, and the third is inverting type. The last type was discontinued in 1960. This made soda acid extinguisher obsolete. So the second one is carbon dioxide. Compressed carbon dioxide provide both an agent with discharge method as the gas in under pressure, while in the storage container continue extinguishing fire primarily by excluding oxygen from the combusting region. Although there is some cooling effect, in fact the operation of carbon dioxide extinguisher must be careful not to touch the horn of the extinguisher due to risk of freezing burn injury. The next one is dry chemical. Dry chemical agents are either ordinary or multi-purpose agent. Ordinary dry chemical agent include sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, urea potassium bicarbonate, and potassium chloride. They are effective on Class B and Class C fires. The next one is halon. Halon 1211 can be used in portable fire extinguisher because it is not um, volatile as halon 1301, which instantly continue gaseous which discharge the low relative volatility of halon 1211. Allows the extinguisher user to direct the liquid flow towards the extended strike zone of fire, as well as larger halon system. Halon 1211 extinguishes fires by inhibiting the combustion's chemical chains reaction like carbon dioxide. Halon is clean agent which leaves no residue. Halon is for Class B and Class C fires as well as Class A if needed. The next one is dry powder. Dry powder agents are fighting Class D, or should I say metal fire, and typically are sodium chloride based. This type of agent extinguishes fire reacting with the heat of the fire is form a blanket over the fuel to prevent the fuel and oxygen from meeting. And the next one is aqueous film forming foam, or EFFF. EFF, aqueous film forming foam, is a special type of water-based fire extinguisher agent. It differs from other water-based agents is that it can be used successfully for combating Class B fire, where it is extinguished via oxygen exclusion, as well as Class A fires, where it can act by cooling and penetrating. Some obsolete extinguishers are not obsolete extinguishing to identify and remove from circulation. In addition of operating difficulties, there these order extinguishers had an unacceptable high test failure of rate. Soda acid extinguishers were quite popular year ago but are no longer acceptable because they may explode when inverted to activate the extinguishers. So the summary: understanding of different type of protection system equipment and water distribution in your protection area is of the utmost important. Your fire department depends on this system on the basic needs of fire protection and fighting fire. Your ability to identify the various components of this system and to inspect them for operation readiness may mean the difference between life and death should be sentence system be needed. So thank you.